This video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to AmaFans Radio TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Hashtag is strong and Tamavin. It's long dilanga.
Bangi. Parachute. Shute Ratamaya. Shute. Shute Ratamaya. Shute. Shute Ratamaya. Shute. Arwina liki barishupa kamenana Arwina kefe barwine kawotote Arwina liki barishupa kamenana Arwina kefe barwine kawotote I'm not. Let me start. I want to say this to you. This season.
Steve Oring Chumia. Oring Steve. It's alright, man. Let me start by saying hore honale dilo tse dingwe mo bophelong. I really appreciate. Wa bona. For in terms of go celebrate motho. Wa bona. Re emela motho a tlhokofale before re bolela ka ena. Which is wrong. You know, every time I always love to celebrate you. I love to celebrate my fans with a channel. Because of credit needs to be given when it's due. I want to take this opportunity also and celebrate fans that are not usually celebrated. Long dilang. Some of the fans they do a lot for team. And not appreciated sometimes. Mar appreciation is not about ho something. Mar lo hobolela ka molomo.
Thank you.
Wa bona. Hobolela ka molomo ro celebrate re keep on the job e we ira. Wa bona. So that you grow the team as well. It's not only long. I don't want to be mistaken. It's not only long. Who we speak about. Some others I know, but I don't know. But Josie, for example, as well. Those are fans or hustler. Fans or
they go all out for the team.
Yeah. And remember, Chilis makumikana. So the legendary. That's a legendary supporter for Sundowns. I also want to take an opportunity for myself to better trumpet. Some of you don't know. You don't know how to trumpet. Trumpet yeah, there was a legendary supporter Tatela mo. You understand? Na beta trumpet and then another majimbana tsena ka lenaka. Wa understand? So these people ne kirena tshwantsere ba celebrate Steve wa bona ka itse usually re bolela ka football re bolela score re bolela ka tseno ke try ho ya ke try ho ba ke bolele lemela ka sia mamelo. I said it last time Steve, you'll check and it's a challenge for when we play maybe go super community e nnang go Atteridgeville go Pheli they also needs to come to the party. In terms of supporting the team. Re lapisitse go utlwa ntate Modao a bolela ka di-supportera. Ra itse re na le di-supportera Steve wa bona. A rena ba re keng a ground go mo challenge because of evident a ra tlala ka nnete ke nnete. Ngwana se na ka ba ke nnete long. Ngwana se na ka ba mar di-supportera re na le tsone di teng.
Adi.
Re tlo ilukisa eo ke story of another day a ke nyako tseya nako e ntši thata Steve. We didn't play that well today.
Sure.
Sundowns.
Sure.
Because of we understand how the season just started.
Yes.
And come co starting we didn't have a rest rena as Sundowns. Re tla World Cup wa bona re nile 2 weeks break. So it's just that how le trendsetter Steve a re lebella hore wena o rola pile or wena o a lwala or wena o fish ka motlhaloganong. We expect hore o performe because the standard is up there.
Yeah.
Sundowns already say up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here bona game ya o tshwana le ka tseno we are not going to be happy with a bargain performance e tshwana le but nonetheless because of return a ke nyako ba long
Yeah, ke a tswa.
bialabana ka long dilang re ke fe long a tse
Ta ke taba fela mara bule mna taba fe. A bule top, bule
Ka
top.
sharp. Oh, long dilang hashtag is tron tiri ka matabe mshimana mtelo wa tsang ho tlang. Man. Bona.
A re mo kwalle yone.
Go ke re ke mo kwalle. I said to you kare season nna re bolela ka tsala pala rena.
Fe.
Nna ke la bile go tla mafentswe itu. I'll never react. I'm watching your channel ba bolela ka nna ba le go studio sao. I'll never react. And I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You understand? Mamelodi Sundowns are the champions. You must check the sleeve of our jersey. It's different from others. You must check the sleeve. So if you put us Tibo, you must cover Mamelodi Sundowns games more than any other game. But to banally sleeve it's a white, it's a black. On the sleeve, Betway Premiership is white and black.
Yeah.
And Mamelodi Sundowns is different.
Yeah.
And you check the jersey is also different from the rest.
Yeah.
You understand? Puma ireladio tse pila. So I'm saying to you, what this step abuti? Oh, da Ribra re interviewer this step. So ke sorbe.
Nna ke understand.
Wa ngotsisa ne?
Nna ke a tswa.
So ne ke re mo wena go tsore ska cha wa raba batho re long tshwana e bolela fact ene bolela nnete.
Ba phetole.
Yeah, angre MTN 8 you must cover the champions more than the runners up.
Yes.
Wa ngotsisa ngere?
Yes.
Nedbank idal you must cover the game inside the champions more than the runners up.
Yes.
League idala you must cover the games of the champions more than the runners up.
Ijwa.
You understand? Wa ngotsisa ne? Ko le no go botsore loka ya go studio sa Sundowns idala ko Mauritius. You must cover Sundowns because idala ko Africa it's number 2.
Va.
You understand? I go cover the pyramids. You understand? So hona lo tseding wa itse Marvin nanga se respond. I said to you this season re bolela ka Mamelodi Sundowns. Fail.
I'm a pagani.
And I'm going to repeat it again even today. The 2025-2026 Betway Premiership champions ke Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe Baba Tatsela Pirate number 2. The way they are playing. Eric Tinta can grind results. But I go too much. Let me focus on me. Mine is to consolidate my number 1 position in the league.
Yeah.
Mine is to have that gold badge on my sleeve next season again.
Yeah.
So it's a wire thing.
Yeah.
So I get wire gore sala ka o botsa ko morao go interview tsa ko morao. Rena magotsomela Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
He ba appreciate abo Marvin. They know why ba appreciate.
Yeah.
Salary le 13 mo stadium le bo Jozi. But we were singing ka moropo wa Jozi 14.
Oh.
Ntse re lose re tlaya.
Yeah.
E re fitlhile. Re saya ma re fitlhile.
Yeah.
So I always say we're gonna dominate. O ka no e judge Sundowns or I dale tsone. Yes. I dale tsone na nthore nyaka ke 3 points papa.
Fail.
Oh, le ka tsena ka own goal ke 3 points.
Yeah.
Wa ngso na nthore nyaka ke 3 points. Or mango dala bang no, it's fine. But ora complain ona bano. O buditsa ngere. Re le tap World Cup la bo ngere. They rested 1 week, they came back to camp. Asebo thata bo. They are seasoned professionals. and they know how to manage them. The team knows how to manage the players.
Yeah.
So they will manage the players. You understand, Norba? They will manage the players. Hence, I go like I think we last week. Settere Gile first leg, second leg. You are over like Ion. Barbara Gile, I told me on South over like Ion.
Yeah.
Barry Gile. South over like Ion. South over like Ion. Go super last week. Barry Gile, Marvin was there. Barry Gile was no grad draw. Regile Sundowns first leg, second leg. To me on a level league. Sundowns with Jessica Chain, they played beautiful football and took Opela Mola. Ibile ke tshwere zaka ntse re opela mola so ona se ke le ke tshwere zaka so Sundowns so anyway Para was the best supporter today ke tshwere zaka so
yazi mina ngathi ngimthanda uLong ukhuluma nami le abo time bakhuluma kanjani nami ngimthanda uLong
20
maar word jy hele boer ke dak boer akole ke goed man bo akole ke goed man ke dak ke hele boer ke dak boer wat was sorry papa ke handsball maar anyway artwe daso no worry Josie Salambuzare you'll be appreciated one day when I opela fela but it was sport camera je dilong go tira hal so it was my chance. It was my day today. So, in thing, Sundowns with the ball today. Again, and they scored a goal in the second half. Again, Ralebuch. They scored another goal towards the 10 minutes. Again, it's okay. We'll rep now. So. We must celebrate Memory Sundowns. Got 3 points today. We have 4 points today. We are moving. We are grinding results. My only target is out of 30 games, out of 10 games, I need at least 27 points. If I can get 24 points. So 24 points we must calculate. My 2 draw so. But anyway it's okay. Happy Kadoso I go like I coach Arena. Now always tell the supporters. Rena supporters we are here to stay. Players come and go. Again, players come and go. We must appreciate that. Coaches come and go. We must as supporters. Ours is to support the team. Ours is not to criticize. As a supporter, don't criticize. Support the team. Lelo mamang o mesitse goal. Don't samuroga. Support the team. Encourage Papa Tamator. Next time Sales. Next time Mudiba. You know, omofa momentum. Ours is not. Again, and I get to all social media, level my friends to and everybody. The Scars Sundowns is in your future player as a ding. Rabaraga Cheta Utura. Chisang. So if you get a player 50 million, how we nyaka? How we nyaka? 100. How Conal Orano channel my friends to it. In a subscriber steady channel. Barabai Kaushuba Tios. Bautor channel A 5 million. Lelo to me 0. But we 5 million. Agar here upgrade mutomanyo go 5 million we not onyo go profit lo agar out of that 5 million how we register muto how we register VTC gamu ora kya register ma friends with markenya ka 10 how we register ka 5 so ukona hali me bra so ukona hali na re dumele go Sundowns o ka no bala wa se se player future mare bon ona player mahala go botsa no guys regular lende ke tswal ukwelagiri babula ka feble re tswala braga wa tswa ke tswala ka didem ke ne ke bala le moena mola ba re sinta player future ke ba le ma friends with ya last out Orlando ke ba le ba re sinta player future ba re feble ya gere Basane player mahala ba bagere. Now I'm going to tell you this. Regasarga rendega 51 million. Ramregisa 30 million. How come those teams in Europe they must pay. Those teams in Asia they must pay. So if Elamo, how you go for was Bazadin? Nsantorega. Bagi malusobo. So Sundowns if I gile mali, sesi abon. So if Elamo, guys, tola mameli Sundowns I can get player, ba dumela player di tsamaya. Marse Salah, nsa cheleta nnete.
Thank you long dilanga.
Man of the match. Arthur Sales.
Dango.